Hi, boys and girls. Today I have an exciting activity for you. It is going to be in a couple of parts. One of the parts will be done on the computer, and one of the parts will be done in your notebook. So you will need both of those things in order to complete this. The first thing you're going to do is the assignment that's next on your list in Schoology, and that is to brainstorm ideas for a fall poem that you're going to be writing. So you're going to go into the Google Doc and just think of some words that make you think of fall. Think about the leaves and what happens. Think about what it feels like outside, what things you see and hear in the fall. It might mean some different things to different people depending on what activities you're in or what things you do in the fall. And then you can look at some pictures, search some images like this one that I have here. There's a ton of images about fall that you can look through to help get ideas of what it looks like and feels like during the fall. So you're going to list on that document as many things as you can think of, or as many things as you think will be helpful to write your poem. When you're finished brainstorming and looking for pictures and ideas, you are going to go to your notebook and you are going to start a rough draft of your fall poem. Your fall poem is going to be a free verse poem, or just a regular poem, however you want it to look and sound. The only things I'm going to tell you are that you need to have 2 stanzas in your poem. You talked about those. And you need to include at least 2 similes or metaphors in your poem. So you're comparing things in your poem using like or as, or you're saying how one thing is like another. So you can use the ideas from your brainstorm activity and things that you think about, and you can start writing a poem that is related to fall. Please think about how you want your poem to be. If you want it to have a certain rhyme scheme, if you want rhyming words, or if you want it to repeat something, you can choose how you would like your poem to sound. My hope is that we can have these finished for conferences so we can hang them up. So make sure you're really putting effort and your best attempt at poetry into this. I also know that this is maybe a first attempt at writing a poem for some of you, so just try your best and we will spend some more time on these. Just give it your best effort and you might surprise yourself. Can't wait to read them.